हे गाइस, आज की इस वीडियो में हम देखने वाले हैं एम एस एक्सेस की टॉप्स 100 MCQ का पार्ट फर्स्ट। अगर आप किसी भी गवर्नमेंट एग्ज़ाम की तैयारी कर रहे हैं तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए बहुत ही हेल्पफुल रहने वाली है। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, एक्सेल इज़ अ डैश प्रोग्राम्स डेवलप्ड बाय माइक्रोसॉफ्ट। राइट आंसर इज़ ऑप्शंस ए, स्प्रेडशीट। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, what is the extensions of a Microsoft Excel file? Right answer is option C part, XLSX. Next question, what is the default file name of Microsoft Excel file? Right answer is option B, workbooks1.xlsx. Next question, Microsoft Excel is used for. Right answer is option D, all of these. Next question, what is the collections of worksheet called? Right answer is workbook. Next, the total numbers of rows in a worksheet. Right answer is 10,48,576. Next question, the total numbers of columns in a worksheet is dash. Right answer is 16,384. Next, what is the column width in a worksheet? Right answer is 255 characters. Next, the total numbers of characters that a cell contains is. Right answer is 32,767 characters. Next, how many hyperlinks can be there in a worksheet? Right answer is 65,530. Next, how many times undo levels can be used in a worksheet? Right answer is 100. Next, how many users can open the Excel file at the same time? Right answer is 256 users. Next, the intersections of a columns and a row in a worksheet is called dash. Right answer is cell. Next, MS Excel stand for dash. Right answer is Microsoft Excel. Next, MS Excel is a dash. Right answer is spreadsheet software. Next, dash is the best alternative to MS Excel offered by Google. Right answer is Google Sheet. Next, free online versions of MS Excel is known as dash. Right answer is Excel for the web. Next, Microsoft Excel 2019 has columns limit of dash. Right answer is 16,384. Next, MS Excel 2019 has row limits of dash. Right answer is options A, 10,48,576. Next, MS Excel 2019 has maximum column width limit is of dash characters. Right answer is 255. Next, Microsoft Excel was first time launched in dash by the Microsoft Corporation. Right answer is 1958. Next, formulas in Excel start with dash. Right answer is option D, equal. Next, MS Excel files cannot be directly exported as dash. Right answer is PPT, PowerPoint presentation. Next, to minimize the currently selected windows, press. Right answer is Control plus F9. Next, to maximize the currently selected windows, press. Right answer is Control plus F10. Next, to display the open dialog box, press dash. Right answer is Control plus O. Next, in Excel, which is used to perform undo operation. Right answer is Control plus Z. Next, dash are the features of MS Excel. Right answer is all of these. Next, what are the basics math operations in Excel? Right answer is all of these. Next, which of the following in a MS Excel file format? Right answer is options A, .xlxs. Next, the main users of Excel includes dash. Right answer is all of these. Next, which of the following is not an example of a value? Right answer is option C, serials numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, in Excel, which function checks whether a condition is true or not? Right answer is if. Next, the greater than signs is an example of dash. Right answer is logical operators. Next, what do you use to create a chart? Right answer is chart wizard. Next, what are the advantages of MS Excel? Right answer is option C, both A and B part. Next, what are the disadvantages of MS Excel? Right answer is option C, both A and B part. Next, which shortcut key opens the go to dialog box? Right answer is F5. Next, which tab has wrap text features in MS Excel 2019? Right answer is Home. Next, which of the following identifies a cell in Excel? Right answer is Address. Next, what is the default column width of MS Excel? Right answer is 8.43. Next, in business importance of Microsoft Excel is R. Right answer is options D, all of these. Next, which shortcut key is used to copy the selected cells in MS Excel? Right answer is Control plus C. Next, to display the find and replace dialog box, press dash. Right answer is Control plus F. Next, which shortcut key is used to insert a new worksheet? Right answer is Alt plus Shift plus F1. Next, to open the Excel formula windows, press dash. Right answer is Shift plus F3. Next, what types of chart is useful for comparing parts of a whole? Right answer is pie chart. Next, in Excel, columns are labeled as dash. Right answer is option C part. Next, इन एक्सेल सेल्स आर लेबल्ड एज डैश। राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी पार्ट। अगर अभी तक हमारी वीडियोस आपको अच्छी लगी तो प्लीज़ हमारे चैनल्स को सब्सक्राइब करें, शेयर करें और कमेंट करें। थैंक यू।